The 2026 Ford Expedition is not just a family SUV. It's a powerhouse of comfort, technology, and refinement. Today on Wheels of Tomorrow, we're detailing this massive machine to make it look showroom fresh and bring out every luxurious detail Ford has packed into this full-size SUV. Let's dive into the transformation. We start by stepping into the interior, where Ford has clearly focused on premium craftsmanship. The cabin is wrapped in soft-touch leather, with contrast stitching that highlights every curve of the seats. The dashboard flows seamlessly with a massive central display, surrounded by brushed aluminum trim. We begin by deep cleaning every surface using microfiber cloths and pH-balanced interior cleaner to lift dust and grime without harming delicate materials. Next, we move to the center console, one of the most used areas. We clean and condition the leather armrest and polish the chrome gear selector dial for a satin finish. The infotainment screen is treated with an anti-static spray so it stays clear of fingerprints. The 12-inch display now looks crystal clear and ready to show off Ford's new Sync 5 system. The Expedition's massive 3-row cabin takes time, but we pay attention to every corner. Air vents, seat rails, and cup holders. Every inch gets a detailing brush and vacuum treatment to remove trapped dust and debris. Once done, the seats are conditioned with a UV protectant leather balm to preserve their soft texture and prevent fading. Moving to the second and third rows, we fold down the seats and treat the carpets with a deep foam extractor. This not only removes hidden dirt, but restores that rich, clean scent to the entire cabin. Ambient lighting lines under the dashboard and door panels get wiped with a microfiber towel to make their glow stand out at night. Now to the dashboard details. Ford's new digital cluster and steering wheel controls get precision detailing with a soft brush and compressed air. Every button feels factory new. The Expedition's advanced driver assist buttons, from adaptive cruise to lane keep assist, are gently polished to perfection. Under the hood, we carefully clean the engine bay. This is where we skip harsh chemicals. Instead, we use a waterless degreaser and soft brushes to safely remove dust. The plastic covers and wiring are protected using a rubber conditioner spray, bringing out a satin black shine without making anything slippery. The tires and rims are next. The 22-inch aluminum wheels of the 2026 Expedition are a statement on their own. We use a rim-safe cleaner to remove brake dust and then polish them with a high-gloss ceramic protectant. Tires are dressed with a water-based gel for that deep black factory look. Not too shiny, just clean and confident. We move to the chrome accents along the doors and tailgate. Each one is hand-polished using metal cleaner, making the Expedition's massive body lines stand out even more. Door jambs, fuel caps, and mirror housings are wiped with ceramic detailer for that last layer of protection. Finally, we do a full inspection. Interior scent balanced, dashboard glowing, seats soft and nourished, and exterior trims sealed for protection. The 2026 Ford Expedition stands ready, cleaner, smarter, and more commanding than ever. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Wheels of Tomorrow for more futuristic car detailing, luxury reviews, and next-generation automotive design. Every day, we bring you the cars of tomorrow, today.